Hey guys, I'm at the Riversdale Road level crossing in Camberwell. This is a Tramsquare crossing with hinge gates, and I just heard a train horn, so we'll probably see a train in a second. Here we go. Unfortunately, you can only hardly hear the Barker Technics e-bells here. I think we got a double, guys. Oh, no. There we go. Now we're going to give a crossing tour. Alright, crossing tour. I'm going to do this quickly because there's another train coming. Unmarked base, Safetran gate mechanism, 2 Harman incandescents and 2 Westinghouse incandescents, an upside down Westinghouse crossarm, a Barker Technics e-bell, 3 Artcraft gate lights. The middle one on this one's actually white, and a hinge gate on a Wishbone gate. Over here we have another unmarked base, 2 Westinghouse incandescents with another Barker Technics e-bell. Equipment's the same as the other signal on this one over here. Unmarked base, Safetran gate mechanism, 2 Harman incandescents, a Westinghouse incandescent and an unmarked Westinghouse incandescent, a actually upright Westinghouse crossarm, Barker Technics e-bell, 3 Artcraft gate lights on a hinged Wishbone gate, and lastly, over here, another unmarked base. They're all unmarked, 2 Westinghouse incandescents, a Barker Technics e-bell, and a Westinghouse crossarm. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear it actually. See these hinge gates go down. I'm going to try though. Yeah, nah, they're way too loud. I don't think this one's actually sounding. I can only hear that one over there. Or maybe actually I'm actually hearing the other side over there, but... Damn it. Trucks galore here. Coming from the left, I believe. Maybe. I can't see. Too many trees. I was right, left. Guy turning to a red light. He's just turned through a red light. He's almost about to hit me. Look, it went off just really quickly. God, this gate shakes the pole like it's gonna pull it off. Might be able to just hear it, guys. It's really soft, these bells here. Actually, now that I'm actually closer to it, I can hardly hear it at all. It's coming into the station up there. Might be able to hear this one better. Well, I guess that's going to be it. So I'll show you some photos now that I've taken. There's a good couple of ones of the Barker Technics evals. So definitely stick around for those. So yeah, enjoy those. Here we go. Well, for this episode of Riversdale Road in Camberwell, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.